one of my favorite accessories to wear.
Good morning.
One brand deal that I already shot. Day is beautiful, but I'm just sitting here and I'm editing my YouTube video for today.
Good morning. I just woke up late. It's like almost 7 o'clock. And I got to bed so late last night, so. Anyway, here we are. Let's spend the day together. I've been waking up at 5. You know what, first I need water. Actually, first we need sunlight in this house. So I'm gonna open the windows. Alright, that's better. We're gonna go to the gym eventually. I had plans to get up at 5 today, which I've been doing. I've been doing 5. And Tuesday nights, man, just get home late and I had so much to do. I still had cleaning and dishes, and then I had to take my shower, and by the time I get to bed, it's like 11:30. Anyway, no. I love putting this under my under eyes just for my concealer. It's an eye balm with vitamin C. All right, putting on my fake freckles. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie. However, it has such staining power and the tip is just so good. It's like a little round tip and it is perfect for just darkening specific spots, you know? Okay, be right back. I thought I was gonna rush off to the gym, but I think I'm not. I think I'm just going to drink my water. Obviously, getting myself semi-ready. I'm gonna eat breakfast. I have a couple things that I think I should do before I go to the gym, and then we'll go to the gym. Yeah, gym ready. Woohoo! Gym fit. Classic, all black. Can't go wrong. I'm cleaning the mirror today.
Okay, so I am back from the gym. That was amazing. It is gorgeous outside and I am just in the office. I have some emails to respond to. I have one brand deal that I already shot and they came back with feedback and asked me to change just a couple things. So I've got to do that. And then I have to make 2 brand new videos for a different brand. So that's what I'll be doing for the next hour and a half, and hopefully I'll be done and then we can paint. So excited. Anyway, I hope you're doing good. I'm feeling good. I'm not sick. Yay. Good morning. I just got back from the gym It was such a good workout. I actually filmed it for you. Workout was super good. This is my favorite little tee that I found at Goodwill. It has a little race car. Really cute. Today, what we are going to get up to, first, take a shower. Second, clean, get this place in order. Then we're gonna paint. And then I have a couple more paintings that I want to do for the gallery wall. Oh, let me show you. I did do 2 new ones. Hold on. So here is one, all oil pastels. And then this is the other one that I did. And I really like it. This is mixed media. So it's acrylic, also oil pastels. That is the update. And I'm gonna shower, make breakfast, and then I will reconvene with you. I accidentally just dropped the trash can that is in our community washer and dryer area. It slipped out of my hands into the actual dumpster all the way to the very bottom. So we're gonna go get a new one because that one's gone and it was completely empty. So it's like all the way at the bottom. So let's go do that real quick. And then these are the sunglasses that I just got at Marshall's. I love the white. I don't have any white sunglasses. And I kind of think maybe I have an addiction to buying sunglasses because I genuinely have so many of them. But they're one of my favorite accessories to wear to change up an outfit. So anyway, I thought those were really cute. And I did find a trash can for the laundry room. So now we're back and just gonna do some painting. So let's do that. Here is a baby abstract that I just did. I love it. I love it. Definitely different than what I normally do, but I feel like it looks really pretty, especially on the table with everything. I also added my Architectural Digest book at the bottom of my mini Architectural Digest magazines, and I think it looks really nice. We're in Lowe's because we are looking for trim for the frames. If I want to put this on the wall. This is an Asian silk screen. I've had it for a while. Also, I got a beautiful pillow. I don't know that and that goes. What do you think? Comment down below. Anyway, I am loving that. And I think the nice neutral warm tones go well with the burlwood. Decisions. These are de Kooning. It's just out of the de Kooning book, art book. These are paintings that he did. And I want to get them cut and then frame them and mat them. And I'm thinking about which one would go really good. Oh, but I think I like that even more. Yeah, I kind of think this would be the one to put in here. I feel like the colors really complement each other. And maybe I can even keep this because it does have, I'm loving red. So I'm thinking I want to find pillowcases that are red, just so I can keep that pop of red in here. But I really like this, you know, and I'm thinking of just having it on the side. So surrounding this, put this up, and then all across the top, and then of course down and down, will continue to be, you know, like a big gallery wall. Painted and I did some work on the computer, and now I might take a little gander to the thrift store because I need to get out of the house. So let me show you what I painted so far. This is not done, but I think it has potential for composition. Kind of looks like a little creature with crazy hair. But we're gonna let the oil pastels dry for like a good week, and then I might go back in and add some more. It's me and my sister. Decided to put a little Picasso painting in the red frame. And then I think I already showed you this guy. I ended up taking the flowers out. I'm gonna put them in a different frame. This is a Willem de Kooning print. And then this I just painted and I love it. Oil pastels on wood panel. I love the color palette, all the things. Let's discuss The Devil Wears Prada 2. I thought it was okay. I didn't like love it like I did the first movie. And I think a lot of people had that same sentiment, but I thought it was good. These are de Kooning paintings, and I'm just trying to figure out the color palette, like a color palette that I want to put in the frame. So tomorrow I will be heading to Virginia to buy canvases, the canvas to go in here. Anyway, it's gonna be a long overdue shopping trip. I need to go to Trader Joe's so bad because we don't have one here on the Outer Banks. I'm gonna do my Michael's trip, and I need new brushes, some new paints. Might even go to IKEA because I'm really looking for some inexpensive pillow covers for the bedroom. Please let me know down below what you think of the Asian silk screen. If you like it or you don't like it, because my husband doesn't like it. Anyway, I would just love to know what you think. Anyway, so that's it. That's gonna wrap up this video. If you are new here, please subscribe and like. It means so much to me. I hope you like this video, and I will see you next Sunday.